Many card. Let me out the heart.
You have to guess who it is first.
I know who. Stop picking. This is the girl that has long hair. It's a puzzle.
Emily,
Now
your
you're doing it on
boyfriend is going to
purpose.
see this one day.
Catherine, your turn.
Okay.
You look like a pig,
heart?
and you stop
Give me
being a
that
pig.
heart.
With all your missing teeth.
Give me that heart.
She looks like the jack-o'-lantern on her shirt that she picked out today in the middle of April.
Give me it.
Emily, stop doing it on purpose.
Okay.
Okay.
That's funny.
Who is it,
It's
Kat?
funny once, remember?
Oh, yeah. Jasmine.
Mm.
Two jewels.
My turn.
Wait, where are you going to put them?
Cat gets 2 jewels. Your boyfriend is going to see this hilarious video. Is it a video? Let me see.
And her boyfriend is going to say,
2 jewels.
okay, I'm out of here.
I win
There's
with
no way I'm going to marry that.
Exactly. That's
And do that. Do that.
She's done it enough. There. I'm done. I win.
Okay.
Dad won the
Game
princess
over.
game.
I've won. I have all of the jewels.
Oh, give Dad a hug, girls. Hold on. Give Dad a hug. Get on each side. Emily, give him a hug. Kat, give him a hug. Oh, my. Oh.
Thank you. Come here, girls. Come here.
A bushel and a peck
come
and a
here,
hug
Kat.
around the neck.
Cat, come here. Cat, come here. I want a hug. Come here.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
I want a big hug from my girls. I bet you will. Squeeze another fart out of you. What's so funny? Come here. I've got a pig on one side and a cat on the other. I love you, girls. I was gonna give you a kiss, but I'm not giving you one with that. Here. Mwah. Mwah.